Hi, my name is Anissa Datu and I'm a lawyer here at A Principal Law Firm. Today I want to talk to you about the IRCC's Family Class Sponsorship Conjugal Partner category. To become a conjugal partner, a lot of people ask me, well, how do I do so? Because I can't get married and I can't live with my partner for 12 months. Well, that's essentially it. With regards to sponsoring your partner, there are three categories. You're either married, you're either unmarried and in a common law relationship, or you're unmarried and you're in a conjugal relationship. However, it's not that easy. You really need to prove extenuating circumstances. It's a very high threshold to me, and you need to prove to the IRCC that you absolutely cannot get married, and that you've tried, you've made efforts to do so, and that you have made efforts to live together. You've tried to make that move and perhaps it didn't work out, or something like that. Or every time you tried to meet the 12-month mark to become a common law partner, you just couldn't because of circumstances beyond your control, and that's exactly what they want to see. It's not a common category that is used, so I do ask you to exercise your caution with regards to applying to it, because the last thing you want is to submit an application and for it to be refused, for all that time, effort, the documentation that you'll have to undergo, and the fees essentially as well. You just don't want that type of delay on you, and you don't want a refusal as well. At the same time, you have to show that you've been in a marriage-like relationship. The IRCC really wants to see some type of mutual commitment, some type of exclusivity. If you guys can't live together, especially, they really want to see, are you guys exclusive and how are you coping? Are you talking to each other every day? Are you depending on each other, whether it's physically, emotionally, financially as well, is always a big one. Are there children of the relationship? And for what reason are you classifying yourselves as conjugal? Is it a good enough reason that you guys can't get married, or is it because you just don't want to, or you just don't want to live together to become common law? They will not accept applications wherein you could have classified yourself as a married spouse or as a married relationship, or you could have been in a common law relationship. And for example, I have people that come to me and they say, well, we just can't wait the 12 months. We're eager to get this process started, and we just don't have the time. Sadly, if the IRCC sees that you have, for example, maybe lived together for consecutive 8 months and then you submit your application, well, why did you jump that step? Why couldn't you wait until you hit 12 months? They will refuse it because they would say you could have easily have become a common law spouse and you could have applied as a common law couple. So it's things like that. You have to show that perhaps maybe every time you tried to become a common law partner, maybe after 6 months, you just couldn't, and you had to go back to your country. And it can be for a variety of reasons. So come have a chat with me today. I'll be happy to speak to you about your circumstances, to see if you do meet this high threshold and to see what we can do about it. Have a great day, and I hope to hear from you soon.